Welcome to Cloud Citadel's product demo. Cloud Citadel is a mobile app that lets you browse, join, or create communities. We elevate user experience by changing the look and feel of a social media platform. By turning every community into a world, complete with the best tools for community engagement. You can navigate through the app using 4 main sections: the dashboard, the Explorer page, notifications, and your profile. The dashboard displays an overview of all your communities in 2 formats: a standard list or an immersive galaxy where communities are represented as planets that orbit your own solar system. From here, you can visit your communities. The Explorer page is your go-to for discovering new communities. Search by community names or hashtags to find topics that interest you. Each community comes with a display card that provides information and specifies whether it's a public, private, or paid community. Next is Notifications, which offers a consolidated view that can be sorted by community, so you never miss out on what's happening. Your Profile page lets you manage your settings, friends, and direct messages. Returning to your solar system and upon entering a community, you are met with an immersive view of a city. A lively and animated experience that is fully customizable with our texture pack system. Replace textures and shape your world. Communities can also decide what features they like to enable. Features like chat rooms, content timelines, and achievement systems. Join the communities you love or create your own. Your community, your world.